Okay. Mrs. Priscilla.
Yes, hello, Richard.
Yeah, hello. So you 2 weeks ago.
Yes.
You come to me, all right?
I did.
Yeah. And what do you have before you come here for?
Well, in October 2011, I had a hip replacement, and the hip rotated after the operation. Because I'm very double jointed and I'm very flexible, so I had a lot of pain thereafter. I tried quite a few treatments, and somebody in the coffee shop recommended that I come to Dr. Zhao, and I've had significant improvement because he's been treating my neck and the whole of my back. So it hasn't been just one side, it's been all of my back and my neck, and I feel much more flexible. I'm happier. I feel that I'm going to now be free of pain, which I haven't been since October last year.
All right, thank you very much.
Pleasure.
Okay, yeah. So it's much improved.
It's much improved.
Yeah. So
and I've only had 2 treatments.
Yeah, yeah.
We've only done 2 treatments.
Yeah.
So far.
So we mainly do the neck.
Yes.
And which is help the brain and the spinal cord, and also the low back. Low back can affect the nerves on your hip.
Yes.
So we treat the back, and then hip should feel better.
Well,
yeah.
I think it's the whole back and the neck in one treatment, as opposed to trying a bit and a bit and a bit, and then everything tightens up.
Yeah.
And then the next week you're almost back to square one. You've done all of it each time.
Yeah. All right. Thank you very much. Okay, we do the whole body. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you very much. All right. Okay.
Thank you, Richard.
Okay.